This is the trading review for the 8th of July 2022. I took two trades. I had to wait a long time. Unfortunately, I was looking at Apple for an S3 long, but I couldn't take it at S2 because the move simply was too strong. And then there was other trades that I could have taken. For example, I think AMD, but this is the second session. Yeah, you can see on AMD I missed out on this entry at S3, so I'm not very happy about it. It was a very good entry, and actually AMD ran all the way to R3, so it's very unfortunate that I'm still a little bit too jumpy to that I like so much confidence on longs. But yeah, this was the perfect entry on AMD, and it will have been a very nice run. But it is what it is. I didn't give up. Very unlucky to get stopped out. So I made my first entry at R3. Oh yes, and also I missed my entry on Nvidia. Nvidia run a lot actually, and again because I'm not very confident on S3 entries. But those are the entries that I miss on AMD and Nvidia from S3. But that's something that I'll talk about later because I just need more practice taking longs and being a little more confident. So it's gonna be little by little. But as of right now, on Friday I took two trades. The first one I got stopped out. I think it was a very good setup. Actually, maybe I might have jumped the gun a little too fast. Also, my stop loss could have been better. I placed it a little too close to my entry, which was like 14 cents. But if I had given it like a few more, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But still, I will not have been able to end my day at goal. So it's unfortunate that the first trade didn't work out. The second one worked out perfectly, and I had good size. And the problem is that I could have gotten out at 3R, but I use partial. I'm just following the process. So another day I'm gonna get a big run. And the problem is that we had a lot of buyers at this value zone. So the price just bounced, rejected the value area and the previous day close, and just stopped me out at break even. So at the end of the day, with this partial and getting out at break even, I ended up with 1R, and I lost 1R on this Apple trade. So those were the only two trades that I took, and ended up the day at break even. Because I didn't have a lot of sleep, I decided to just end trading here. But one thing that I need to work on is more patience and waiting longer. I need to have the endurance because now that I'm a little bit more control on my entries, um, I just need to stick. I just need to watch the market for longer for the opportunities to appear, because they did appear on both Apple and AMD for a short from R3, even though they were more complicated because you didn't really have a 5 minute nice 5 minute candle to make an entry on. But still, I need to have more endurance to finish the day above goal if I still have trades to take. So I need to develop that endurance and not get so tired or not give up so easily and so early in the morning, because there were more opportunities later in the afternoon. So it's a work in progress. Also, I need to work on taking longs, because on days that the market rallies, sometimes I miss out the breakouts from R4, and today I missed out on entries from S3. So yeah, I need to work on that. Have the same confidence that I have on the R3 shorts that I continue taking, and they work out. But yeah, so those were two trades. So this was an R3 short. The first one, I think was a B setup. mainly because we didn't really have a bearish level 2, which is also the reason why it didn't, well, drop longer. It's an apple was bullish actually. If we open inside, we did not have stacks, so doesn't mean reason is a B. I would say. Do you have volume signal on this first entry? Not at all, so I guess a B is fine. It's not that big of a deal. This one, I would say A, because we got the test and then lack of volume for a breakout, so I would say yes. No, I don't think so. I think they both were B trades actually. I'm glad I took the trade again though. Level, yeah, it worked, but we just broke even. Same, it was a bullish day inside. It was a short, and this trade was a B as well. So very unfortunate. Net hours to, yeah, it's I still need to work more on those setups. It's getting better though lately. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades that have been good or okay at least. Yeah, the beginning was a bit rough, but yeah, those are my trades from Friday. I need to work on my entries long and patience, endurance during the market hours, and not to give up too early. So that's the review for Friday.